When entrepreneurship meets innovation and can leverage technology to help them scale, that's when you can have the biggest impact and do the most social good. Millennials are best positioned to take advantage of this social impact space because they're highly capable, they're action-oriented, and they are ready to come up with new solutions to a lot of the old problems. Whether it's cleaning up the ocean with the ocean cleanup or crowdfunding medical care for people around the world with Watsi, there's a lot of social good entrepreneurs doing amazing things and innovative things in the world right now. For them, creating and leveraging technology is at the core of what it is that they're doing. Technology plays such a crucial role in this space because it allows for companies to disseminate their message almost instantly and also have distributed teams all over the world and be able to collaborate and schedule. There's a lot of crowdfunding platforms that allow social entrepreneurs within minutes set up a project and then use social media tools to create a short little video and start to get donations online in minutes. Social entrepreneurs of the future will be much more driven by metrics rather than personal values and mission statements. Social entrepreneurs will make a huge impact in how we do business in general and will take the values of social entrepreneurship and integrate them into the social fabric of how we do business.